In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a Slack channel and what to do for group DMs. If your Slack workspace is feeling a little crowded, leaving a channel you no longer need can help you stay focused. Here's the simplest way to do it. First, open the conversation you want to leave. Make sure you're actually in the channel itself, not just previewing it. At the very top of the window, click the channel name. This opens the channel's details panel. In that panel, look for the option labeled Leave Channel and select it. Slack may ask you to confirm before you go, just to make sure you don't leave by accident. Once you confirm, you'll be removed from that channel, you won't receive any new messages from it, and it will disappear from your sidebar. A quick note on what happens after you leave. The message history doesn't get deleted. You're simply no longer a member. If the channel is public, you can usually rejoin later by searching for it and joining again. If it's a private channel, you'll need an invitation from someone who's still inside. Also, some workspaces have a default channel that everyone is in, often named something like General. You typically cannot leave that one. If you don't see the Leave Channel option, that may be why. Now, what about group direct messages, where several people are chatting in a DM thread? This works differently. You can't leave a multi-person DM on your own. According to community reports, Slack doesn't provide a leave button for group DMs. The workaround is to ask the participants to start a proper channel for the conversation or to have the chat converted to a private channel. Channels are designed for ongoing group discussions and give you the option to leave later if you need to. In contrast, group DMs are more like a fixed thread. Once you're added, you're part of it unless the group moves the conversation elsewhere. To recap the essentials, open the channel you want to leave, click its name at the top, then choose Leave Channel and confirm. For group DMs, you won't find a leave option, so your best path is to ask others to spin up a channel or convert the conversation into a private channel. That's it. With these simple actions, you can keep your Slack tidy, reduce noise, and focus on the conversations that matter most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.